files config file location on PC are 1. Open the AppData folder, press Windows R, type sent local AppData sent, press enter. Number 2. Find the HLL Let Loose folder, look for the HLL or HLL Let Loose folder, open it if present, check the available subfolders for configuration and user data. 3. Check the saved folder, look for a path similar to local AppData to HLL saved. The saved folder can contain configuration, logs, and other local game data. Number 4, find the config files. Open saved config Windows No editor. Common configuration files may include GameUserSettings.ini, Engine.ini, Game.ini. 5, backup before editing. Copy the entire saved folder. Paste it somewhere safe. This gives you a backup before changing or deleting configuration files. Number 6, reset the configuration. Close HLL Let Loose in Steam. Back up the config folder first. Rename the config folder to something like config backup, start the game again. The game can recreate fresh configuration files. Number 7, check Steam Cloud. Steam may synchronize some game settings. Open Steam, Library, HLL Let Loose, Properties. Check the General section for Steam Cloud settings. If you are troubleshooting settings that keep returning, temporarily consider whether Steam Cloud synchronization is restoring them. 8. Check the game installation folder. Right-click HLL Let Loose in Steam. Select Manage, Browse Local Files. This opens the game's installation directory. Do not confuse this folder with the local AppData configuration folder. Number 9, find the folder quickly. Press Windows R, enter Sent Local AppData to Sent HLL. Press Enter. If the folder exists, open Saved Config. Number 10, important note about save files. HLL Let Loose primarily uses local configuration and player-related data rather than a traditional single-player save file system. If you're looking for a specific setting, crash configuration, graphics settings, or logs, the saved folder is the first place to check. Always make a backup before deleting or modifying files.